Hey, it's Yolanda. This ain't that book club, nor is it that cooking show, but when a blogger's in the kitchen, you gotta pair the two. So we decided to pair a great selection of books with Hoecakes. Started with a half a cup of meal, to which I then added a half a cup of flour. Now to create the batter, we used a half a cup of buttermilk. Now you can use any milk substitution you need. We started with buttermilk because we wanted to try to keep this authentic, right? Now, of course, you got to have some sugar and a pinch of salt. And then that started our batter. It looked like we needed just a little bit more buttermilk, but don't forget that you will also add in some hot oil, because cornbread calls for a hot oil, but we're not making cornbread. We let the batter rest. Then we took it up a notch by adding in some celery, followed by some onion. Now, I like using a celery onion combination because it gives it a flavor somewhere between hush puppies and, of course, cornbread dressing. You can put in some celery and onion and gives it a nice flavor. We fried those up, of course, in some drippings that we had left over from frying something else. That gave it more flavor. Got to work on getting them a little bit more prettier if you can. But there's our plate of hotcakes, of which we topped with honey. And that made for a nice book club breakfast. Blogger in the kitchen. Follow me, DryerBuzz Eats.
Go now to DryerBuzz.com and follow @DryerBuzz on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. It's all about the buzz.